Eric Thomas with Bristol Hills Outfitters. Month of May in New York State is our turkey season. This is the 18th of the month, and we've been having a lot of rain. The whole month has been really wet. Rained all last few days, and you can hear it's raining now, and you saw probably some of the early footage and what it looked like and how foggy it was, and that's how it's been the last few days. And bugs aren't been real bad because hasn't had any sun. But anyway, Jerry and I were on the property here the other day, and this bird here, he spouted off after about 11 o'clock, and we tried to work him for that last hour. Our season ends at noon. And we were packing up and leaving, getting out of here, and we're walking halfway out of the property, and about 8 minutes after 12, this guy spouts off. So I knew he was going to be a late bird, and we came on the property late, so we didn't know what time he started, but I figured this bird was going to be a 9-10 o'clock bird. It's 9:20 right now, and he didn't even let off a gobble until about 9 o'clock, a little before 9. So it was an interesting hunt. I had to move, that's why you guys couldn't see any film footage. But I had to move and see if I can just kill a bird, and that's all I try to do, is work closer to him and call him down to me. But it was a good hunt, and my name's Eric Thomas with Bristol Hills Outfitters, and also with the Forever Wild Outdoors Video Production Company. So you all have a good day, and thanks for watching us.